Okay, so you did a great work. Now we're going to continue with the next activity. People, activity number 3 says, match the words in bold to their meanings. Click on the bold words in the show text for help, right? So here we have vocabulary according to the reading. If you need to read the text again, go ahead, do it. Right? Stop the video and read it again, right? So we're going to continue with this activity. Here says match to their meanings. Perfect. What is the meaning of perfect? What do you think about it, please? Flavia. Perfect is idyllic. Okay. Now let's see what is rough. What is the meaning of rough? Please give me the answer, Valeria. Harsh. Next one we have left because of danger. What is the meaning of this word? Everybody, please tell me. Okay, that's it. Good. Flat. Then we have for a short time. What is the meaning of this word? Or better, let's use this phrase in an example, right? We would say, I hope, and maybe most of us hope, we are under quarantine for a short time, right? So what's the meaning of this phrase? Give me the answer, please, Gabriel. Okay, that's it, temporary, good. Then we have people who keep farm animals. What is the meaning of this word? Or this phrase, sorry. Okay, livestock herders. Then we have care for from birth. Please give me the meaning of this word, Ricardo. Rear, okay, great. Then we have moving to live elsewhere. What is the meaning of this word? Migrating, that's it, very good. Behave towards, of course, the meaning is treated, right? Remember that you have to check your answers with a green pen or a green color. Remember that this instruction is for every activity we do, right? It is not just for the activities I do this. You have to do it in every activity, right? Remember to do that, please. So let me erase this and let's see next activity. We have here activity 4, choose the correct words. We have number 1, offer or help yourself to a cup of tea. Which do you think is the answer? Okay, good, help. Number 2, my hosts treated or behaved me very well. It's obvious, I think. Good, treated. 3, Mongolians show or indicate hospitality. Show. 4, the nomads are always on the when they keep moving from one place to the other. What is that? Move. 5, don't take it for that everyone has a home to live in, right? It's a phrase. Don't take it for granted. That's it. So remember that you have to check your answers with green pen or green color. Next activity, we have 5, fill in. We have those words from the reading and we have to complete those blanks with those words, right? So let's see. Number 1, to whose hand? What do you think goes here? Please give me your answer, Oscar. What do you think, Oscar, goes here? Okay, good. Witness, first hand. Number 2, immediately by. What do you think goes here, Daniela? Okay, struck by. 3, give me your answer, please, Valeria. Okay, stilt. Very good. 4, give me your answer, please, Sebastian. Or Marshall, right? Okay, good. Monsoon season. 5, what do you think goes here, Gonzalo? Good, Gonzalo. Sparsely populated country. 6, give me your answer, please, Daisy. 2, show hospitality. Very good. And 7, of course, the answer is dairy products. Good. Please remember to check your answers with green pen or green color, right? So, next activity. About grammar, next week, or once you have finished all your exams, I'm going to make a review about all the present tenses, right? That's why we're not doing this topic this week. So we're going to go to the next activity. Activity number 7 says speaking and writing. So we're going to do the writing about this one. Read the text again. Tell your partner, so you are not going to tell your partner, you are going to write in your notebook 2 things that impressed you about each community, right? Do you remember we did a reading activity? So, and we read about 3 communities, those 3 communities. So you are going to write in your notebook the name of each community and 2 things that impressed you about each community. So it means that you are going to write 6 things, right, in your notebook. What is it that impressed you about the Tuareg of the Sahara? What are those 2 things that impressed you about the Sea Gypsies of the Andaman Sea and the 2 things that impressed you about the Mongolian nomads, right? I'm going to show you just some examples, but remember that you have to do it with your own words, right? So, let's see. About number 1, we have the Tuareg men wear veils. The Tuareg drink tea 6 or 7 times a day, says. What about the Sea Gypsies of the Andaman Sea, says. The Sea Gypsies live most of their lives on the sea. They can see underwater twice as clearly as normal. And the last one about the Mongolian nomads says, the Mongolian nomads think it is rude if you do not go into an empty tent and help yourself to refreshments. They have satellite dishes on their tents. So those are just examples. Remember that you have to do it by yourself, right? So we have finished our first unit, and on Thursday you're going to start your exams week. The schedule is going to be given by coordination, so be careful with the dates of your exams, right? What you have to study for your English exam is the pages we have worked in the videos, right? And the vocabulary you have practiced at live worksheets. So all the vocabulary we have been working should be studied for your exam, right? In this week, I'm checking your homework. If you had any kind of difficulty when doing it, please let me know by sending an email. And I'm going to answer to your email as soon as I can, right? So, this week we're going to have just one practice, just one practice at live worksheets, and then you have a lot of time to study for your exam. Be careful with the date, please. Bye bye. See you next week. Or we're going to work by videos too next week, right? Take care.